Struggling with studying? Let's build better study habits together. In this video, we'll explore simple steps to improve your study routine and boost academic success. Building effective study habits takes dedication and a bit of planning. Don't worry, we'll get through this together. First, it's important to set clear goals for your studies. You need a destination in mind. What do you want to achieve? Figure this out before you start. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Create a study schedule that fits your life, not the other way around. Plan a regular study schedule that works best for you. You know yourself best. Find a study environment that supports your focus. Distractions are the enemy. Choose a quiet, well-lit, and distraction-free place to study. If not, you're setting yourself up for failure. Eliminate distractions. Yes, that means your phone. Turn off your phone and log out of social media. You'll be surprised at how much more you can accomplish. Take short breaks to refresh your mind. Study time is not a marathon. Studies show that short breaks improve concentration and memory. You'll actually retain more information. Use active learning techniques. Don't just passively read. Summarize information, explain it to someone else, or teach it to a study group. Actively engage with the material. Stay organized with a planner and folders. Everything has its place. Use a planner to track assignments and folders to keep your notes organized. You'll feel so much better. Reward yourself for meeting your goals. You earned it. Celebrate your successes and reward yourself for your hard work. This will keep you motivated. Building better study habits takes time and consistency. Stick to your schedule and be patient. Remember, building habits is a marathon, not a sprint. You will get there.